Can you crack it just within 3 steps? I will show you. But one condition, without step jump. You cannot any step jump. The best concept of the world is coming on your YouTube channel. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's start. Here we will do just 3 steps. Step 1, direction and component analysis. You have to analyze first the what is the direction of what and what is the component of given reaction, force, etc. Step 2, which is very important but very easy. Let's look the step 1. Here are two reaction AX and AY, that point where the 6 centimeter attach. If you ask you which is the direction of AX, you can easily say it is the along positive x-axis. In short form, you can write ax inside the bracket horizontal direction right side, not left, remember right side. Because of R force, R reaction applied on the exact, not exact left, but direction partially left, that's why must be the direction of ax is right. Okay, now ay obviously direction upward, because given force 4 newton downward, we know that system is equilibrium, then ay and 4 newton have to equal or have to cancelling, that's why 4 newton is downward, then obviously ay upward along the y axis vertically. You can written as ay vertically upward along the y axis. Okay, let's given question says that theta angle here. You can say what is the angle between r and y axis. R and y axis is 30 degree. R and y axis means this is what 30 degree, because given is 30 means this is 30, but we have to need r and x axis direction, negative x axis not positive, because the direction of r is upward. Understand, direction of r is upward, that's why we need the angle of positive x axis, this line. Okay, this line to r what is angle, this is 30, and this is perpendicular, x axis y axis perpendicular, this is perpendicular means 90 degree. Now tell me 90 plus 30 what, 120 degree. So 120 degree angle what, between negative x axis or left x axis and r. You can say that r making the angle 120 degree with negative x axis or left hand side of the x axis, not right hand. Why not right hand, I tell you already. Okay, so it's two component rx. I again and again tell you in my theoretical portion, where theta attach, you can attach cos. Here theta attach with the x axis, then component of x what, r cos theta. And where theta does not attach, you have to attach sine. Just sine. No need to watch any diagram. So ry equal to r sine 120. Sine 120 and sine 120 cos 120, putting the value. So Rx equal to minus 1 by 2R, Ry equal to root 3 by 2R. I hope you would understand till now. Okay, again I tell you, 120 degree theta making with x axis, where theta attach, you attach cos theta, and direction is negative not positive, and y direction is upward not downward, because r is not direction, this is not cross sign, this is not, this is yes, that's why negative x and positive y direction. Okay, if r direction is lower position backward, then there happened positive x negative y. Okay, but here not. Anyway, I think basic concept you understood till now. Awesome. Step 3, equilibrium with the axis. Very important but very easy in your childhood life. Okay, like your childhood life. Now, step 2, equilibrium condition. Summation of fx equal to 0 because of equilibrium. Summation of fx, there are two forces, ax and this force, this line, what? R cos theta, that is minus 1 by 2 r. Anyway, I write r cos theta according to x axis. So there are only two forces, r cos theta and a x. Now, if equilibrium, then summation of two forces equal to obvious 0. So we have to written as ax plus rx or r cos theta. You can written as r cos theta plus ax or ax plus r cos theta. Obviously 0. Yes or no? That is, we can written as from the equation is ax equal to minus of rx. Look that automatically minus here because left hand side of the x axis, negative x axis. I not write, automatically pops out. Similarly, if y summation equal to 0, obviously, otherwise y equilibrium, the process is equilibrium, then obvious 0. Along the x axis, three forces, ay, r sin theta and 4 Newton. This is r sin theta, upwards, upwards. There are two upward force. If the r is the direction this, then it will be lowerward, downward. But this is not, because up r is upward. This is yes, upward. That's why the y component is upward. So upward force equal to ax and r sin theta, which is only upward. And what is downward? Minus 4 Newton. That's why minus equal to 0. Okay, I think you understood. No confusion. Summation of MA moment 0 because of equilibrium. Total length 6 plus 2 into 8. Okay, total length 8. 8 multiplied by what? The perpendicular force. What is perpendicular force? That is r sin theta. Okay. Always remember force into perpendicular distance or distance into perpendicular force. This is 6, this is 4. This is 6, this is 4 perpendicular. So 6 into minus 4. 6 into minus 4 downward. Okay, not upward, downward. Minus 4 equal to 0. 6 into 4, 24. So Ry equal to 24 by 8, that is 3. Ry equal to 3. Yes or no? Comment. If you have any problem with this problem, kindly please drop your comment on YouTube section. I will discuss again and again time in next lecture. Okay. So this is our first answer, Ry equal to 3 Newton. Automatically pops out. No problem, no critical, easy peasy, no tension. I think nobody can explain like this. Each and every step I am telling you. No confusion. Search and check whole YouTube, whole YouTube. Step 3. Solve the question inquiry. Question says that what is R? R equal to, obviously, from the equation number 1 or 2, anything. Equation number 2, R equal to 2 into Ry divided by root 3. From the equation number 2, and we know that the value of Ry, automatically R is find out. That is 3.464 Newton. Okay. Now, what is Rx? Look, equation number 1, Rx equal to minus 1 by 2 into R. Minus 1 by 2 R. And what is R? R is, check what is R. R, that is 3.464. Calculate it. Let something minus 1.7 something. 1.7. Calculate. I don't have calculator. 1.732. Yes. Okay. That is Rx, Ry and R. Completely we figure out. No problem. Now we have to find what is ax and what is ay. Look at that. Ax equal to minus rx and rx find out already. So ax equal to minus rx. So minus a plus, minus into minus plus. What is rx? 1.732, that is ax. So ax is that. Now we have to find the value of ay, which is upward. Ay from which equation? Which equation? Which equation? Which equation? This. Ay plus ry minus 4 equal to 0. Then ay equal to 4 minus ry, that is 4 minus 3. What 3? 3. That is 1 Newton. So we have now ax, ay, r, rx and ry. Final answer note down. Final answer. Completely the whole answer sheet for your exam hall. Just go and ditto copy paste, which I am teaching you now. 100% guarantee you will be the topper. R equal to 3.46 Newton, Rx equal to this Ry. Anyway, this is Morning Das. Everyone call me Morning Sir, but you call me Morning Bro. Thank you. Tomorrow I will meet you with the new problem 5.13. Thank you. Morning.